The ability to walk away from a trade, even though it's only a couple minutes into the market session, is hard. That took me years to discover. Now make sure to stay tuned to the end, where I'm going to show you the live screen recording of this very trade, where you can see how quickly you can get in and get out, pull your profits, make your money on the day, and then go enjoy your day. So we all start out somewhere. We've all worked a regular job before. And then when we try and transition into the markets, it can really mess our minds up, thinking that we have to stay all day long. That's not the case. Take this trade for example. Do you see how quickly I was in and out? Now this produced a big percentage gain and plenty of profits for the day. Roughly $1,000 in just a 1 minute candle. So why would I want to stick around all day? If you can make money in a few minutes after the market open, why don't you? We all come to a point where we have to decide what type of trader we want to be. Do we want to be the type of trader that sits in front of the screens and the monitors all day long? That's fine if you do. It's something that you need to think about. Do you enjoy your freedom? Do you have anything else that you could be doing during the day? Weigh your odds, folks. Because if you don't mind sitting in front of the monitors all day and you have the discipline to not pull the trigger on random trades, then it's fine. But if you have discipline issues and you have stuff that you could be doing, like if you have a family you want to spend time with, take the trade. Once you're in and you get out and you're comfortable with the amount of money that you made, it's okay to walk away. So I hope you enjoyed this short session here. Something for you guys to think about. Pat Mitchell with Tricktrades Trading Television signing off. We'll catch you on the next one, folks. Adios.